Hi everyone, this is Andy Lee from Savannah High School, and in this video I'm going to show you how to narrate your back to school night slides using Camtasia. So once you've downloaded and opened Camtasia, you'll have to hit the record button up here on the top left, and then you'll get these different options. Once you press that button, you'll have to turn your monitor on, obviously, to capture the screen that you want. So make sure that's on, and then the second option is to turn on your webcam. If you would like to have that on, some people like to do that and have their face at the corner. I'm going to turn mine off. And then you want to make sure that your microphone is on to capture audio. So once you've done that, you can hit record. So now I'm going to pull up my back to school night slides. I'm going to go to the beginning here and hit present. You want to wait a little bit so that it's done loading before you start recording. So like now, you can start recording. You can go through your slides. And I'm going to go quickly, but you get the idea. Once you go through all your slides and you're done and ready to export, you're going to leave here, go back. You can hit stop record up there on the top right. I'm going to drag that now into the timeline for Camtasia. And I'm going to trim the beginning and the end. I always think it's good to hit record and then start recording a few seconds after. You can always trim that. I'm going to trim the end as well. So once you've done that, go ahead come up to share and hit local file. We'll save it to computer first. I'm going to call this Back to School Night BTSN 2021. And I'm going to save this to my desktop because I know that's easier for me to find. So now it's exporting. So once it's done exporting, we're going to go over to Google Drive now so that we can upload this video and turn it into a web link. We're going to go to New Upload, New File Upload, and it's in my desktop. And remember, I called it BTSN 2021. You see that it's loading here. It's uploading here. And once it's done that, you're going to right click on the file and you want to go to share. We're going to change it so that anyone can view the link. We're going to click on share, and then we want to change it from restricted to anyone with the link can view. And I also want to show you how you can share the link. You can go to get link, and you can just press on that button, copy link there. Once you've done that, you should be good to go with your back to school night slides. Hope that was helpful, everyone. Have a good one.